Hi guys, this is Paras from Selfie HRMS. In this video, I will tell you how to maintain hourly salary of employee in Selfie application. Login in Selfie application using owner mobile number. You will get a screen as shown in video. Now go to menu as showing at top left corner and circled in video. Click on employee. Select any employee from drop down menu. Click on rules tab. Enter employee shift start time and end time. Enter duty hour of employee 8 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour. Now there is one parameter overtime applicable. Select this parameter yes and enter OT multiplier 1. Now click on payment info. Select payment type daily. There are two payment type, monthly or daily. You have to select daily. Enter gross salary of daily employee 400 rupees. Let's take an example. If hourly salary is 50 rupees per hour of employee and duty hour is 8, then you have to enter 400. 50 into 8 is equal to 400 in daily gross salary. Click on save button to save. System will automatically calculate 1 hour rate of employee by dividing salary by duty hour of employee. There is also one another way to enter hourly rate of employee. Just select any employee, enter duty hour 1, select OT applicable yes and OT multiplier 1, enter hourly salary, select payment type daily and enter hourly salary of employee like 50 rupees and click on save employee information. In this case, if employee work more than 1 hour, then this will consider as overtime. Now go to home page, click on team attendance, enter in time or out time of employee. If employee is using self attendance, then they will mark attendance themselves, or you can enter hours worked by employee by click on total hours. If you want to enter previous day's hours of employee, then click on date and month and select any previous date. Click on OK. Enter total hours or in time, out time, whatever you want to enter. Now go to menu again. Click on attendance summary. Click on attendance summary or report. Click on drop down menu. Select salary hour based. Select any employee for whom you want to view hourly based salary. Here you can see employee hours worked in a day, status of employee present or absent, total overtime or daily salary of employee. Here you can view total earned salary in this month by employee. If you want to download this report, then click on download button showing here. Click on download button to download. For any query, please feel free to reach us on 87089 40688 or 9810615613. Thank you.